Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to download and install Likee application on your smartphone. Whether you are using Android or iOS, follow along till the end. First of all, unlock your device and open up your Google Play Store for Android and App Store for iOS. In the search bar, type in Likee. Now, look for this application from Like Me Pte Limited and then tap on the Get button or the Install button to start downloading the app. On your iOS, you'll need to authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID or your Apple ID password. Wait for the application to install. Also make sure that the device is connected to a stable internet, and once the download is complete, tap on Open. And there you will be able to download Likee application on your smartphone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like, share it with friends, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.